This is what it's like to hand make something in the United States. You use sewing machines and you produce these awesome products, samples, pillows, etc. All right here. And it all can be GOT certified. If you ever visit 745 Joe's Camera Avenue, you'll see how we are the real deal. We package everything right here. Those are awesome bean bags with outside organic covers. We have them in every flavor. Inside of them is pure K-pop. We could also make them with shredded latex or even eco-friendly foam. We hand make it all right here. If you ever visit, you'll see. This room here is where we actually hand make mattresses. Yep, no machinery. Just us doing it all by hand. And here are some awesome new products that we're coming up with for a special client of ours. So if you have an idea in your mind of how to sleep better, how to come up with new cool products, think about us. WhiteLotusHome.com. Thank you.